Hi students, I am Dr. Sagar Kumar, MSc PhD with 32 years experience. Here in this video, I am going to explain the development, plant development. This is one of the part in the chapter heading, that is the plant growth and development. Here the growth means what is the development. In the starting introduction only he has given that is the growth plus differentiation is called as development. He has given very clearly. So now already we saw the what is the growth means. That is the meristematic cells used to produce the cells, and the cells, that is the elongation will be taken, that under up to there it will come under growth. Later on, whenever the elongation zone cells means by vacuolation, elongation will be taken, cells will become very big, and then it will enter into the differentiation as the different parts in the anatomy, that is the epidermis, cortex, steel, and different types of the tissues, cells, all the things will be done in the differentiation, and that we had seen differentiation, de-differentiation, redifferentiation also. So the both the together growth and differentiation will come under development. So development, whenever it is taking growth and development, there will be the development includes the changes in the in the cycle of the organism, life cycle. What is this? Means in the life cycle, it is to show so many differences in the development. Those things he has given in the chart. In the chart, what he has given, the development stages, how it will come in the cellular level. He has given one cell, if it is a cell division in the meristematic cells, and plasmatic growth means protoplasm growth, and protoplasm growth leads differentiation as elongation, and maturation means the cell will go into a tissue, that is maybe epidermal tissue or cortex tissue, whatever the tissue is present, and the or the vascular tissue, whatever it may be, it will go. That is called as a maturation. It will be matured cell will form. So the expansion, elongation will be there by the vacuolation, and then the cell size will become very big, and then maturation zone it will go, means the cell will be mature. After that one, every living organism is having the death. So the cell also will reach the senescence, means death. It will be complete its life, and it will be die. The death is the final thing. Here you should remember what is the plasmatic growth. Protoplasm growth is called as plasmatic growth. Means the cell size will be increased. In the cell division, cell size will be increased. Now, if you see in the other way, meristematic cells used to produce, by plasmatic growth, it used to produce the new permanent cells, and by the differentiation means first it will do the elongation, expansion, and the cells will, the part will reach to the maturation, and the mature part will be senescence, it will die. That is the thing. In two different ways we can explain it. Now, whenever we are seeing in the plasticity he has given. What is the plasticity? Means the different stage plant responses to different pathways to the environment or phases of the growth. And growth means here growth and development only. It will come under development. So different phases, with the different phases of the plant life cycle, it is to show different pathways. Means it will respond to the environment, or it may be respond to the genetically, whatever it comes. That responding to this different pathways is called as a plasticity. This is important bit. What is plasticity? Means Any plant used to show different phases, different structures, response to the internal extrinsic or intrinsic, means by the external character or the internally, means genetically. The entire thing will come under the plasticity. For example, he has given heterophylly, means heterophylly means different types of the leaf production, leaves produced by the plant at different phases, that will be done either by the genetical or environmental. The example has given heterophylly, and I will discuss some more also in this only. Now we will complete heterophylly here, genetical heterophylly, environmental heterophylly. That for our convenience I am telling. Means which is controlled genetically. If the in the genetics itself it is having the such type of condition. For example, whenever you are seeing, we can in the plant, in the home house also, whenever you are observing a plant, for example bean plant will produce first leaves, two leaves opposite phyllotaxy, and both are the simple leaves. Later on producing leaves are the compound leaves. That is also one type of heterophylly. This is not in the book, but for your observation, generally if students used to observe in the house also. For that one, he has given same type of the thing, cotton, coriander, and larkspur also will show the such type of heterophylly, which is caused by the genetically intrinsic character. It is that also important. It is the intrinsic. It is controlled by the genetics. Already in the genetics, it has to produce like that. And next, in different stages it is given, means in the initially first leaves used to differ from the developed leaves. For example, he has given larkspur. If you see, first leaf will be the in the juvenile stage, it is a simple leaf. In the bean plant also I told the same thing. And adult, whenever you are seeing, it is a trifoliate palmate compound leaf, it used to form. That diagrams also he has given. And next, such type of the thing can be controlled by, he will ask, intrinsic, means genetically controlled it is. And next, whenever we are seeing, second was environment also used to show lot of influence on the development. For that one, he has given the buttercup, the environmental, that is the buttercup, he has given the example. Means not only in the buttercup, for your information, for further understanding I am telling, it is not in the text. The plants which are growing in the high sunlight, their leaves structure, means appearance, physical, and the same species which is growing in the little bit less sunlight, it differ. You can observe it. Such type of the so many examples are there, but here he has given one example, that is the buttercup. Buttercup will act as terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrial means it can grow on the land, and it can grow in the water also. And the water also it is. But whenever it is growing in the terrestrial, it used to show the trifoliate palmate compound leaf. Trifoliate compound leaf. Next, whenever it is growing in the aquatic condition in the water, it used to show trifoliate only, but the leaves, whatever the leaves or leaflets are there, they will be serrated. Serrated means it will be splitted, and the structure of the leaves it is to produce. Same plant, same species, in the terrestrial it will show one type of the leaves, and in the water habitat it will show the different one. So in this way, that plasticity, for example, heterophylly, we can observe gentical heterophylly, juvenile stage it is to show the larkspur, simple leaf, and later on it will become trifoliate palmate. And next, buttercup depend, it is a aquatic, it is a and terrestrial also. It will act both the, can grow on both the habitats. Whenever it is going on the terrestrial, it is to go show the trifoliate palmate compound. And whenever it is growing in the water habitat, it used to produce the leaves which are splitted, serrated. So such type of the things we can see in different stages of the development. And now the development, it is extrinsic or intrinsic. I already discussed in the last paragraph of the NCERT book, he discussed that one. Intrinsic is also will be the growth regulators also important. Next video it will continue that one. If you like this video, please give the like mark and subscribe the channel. And next I will start the growth regulators in the next video.